everyone, my name is Kruti and welcome to my channel Kruti's Life. So in today's video, we will be discussing about time blocking, three variations of time blocking and how it really affects your productivity and increases your efficiency as a person and lets you go through the work flow very easily. So before we get started with the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, like, share and leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. So now without further ado, let's get started. The first thing, time blocking. What is it? In simpler words, time blocking is just another larger form of saying it is a Pomodoro. So time blocking equals larger Pomodoro. If you do not know about Pomodoro or what it is, I will leave two links in the description box about my previous videos where I deeply discuss about Pomodoro technique and its benefits. So do check them out after you are done with watching this video. So as I said, time blocking is just a time management technique, or in other words, a larger Pomodoro, where each block is dedicated to a particular set of tasks or a particular task, depending on how much time the task actually takes. So now time blocking works on a different level than a Pomodoro. Time blocking involves you scheduling your entire day, finding out periods of time sorry, finding out periods of time where you focus on one particular set of tasks, then finding another set of time where you work for another particular set of tasks. So that is what time blocking basically is. Now the three variations of time blocking. Time blocking has three variations in the sense they're just a little different of how you set them and what is their motto. The first is time blocking itself. The second is task batching, where instead of you thinking about a period of time, you more so think about a set of tasks that could really get merged together and that are very similar to be done at one particular interval or at one particular go. So task batching is more of like grouping together all of the similar tasks and going through them one by one. And the third variation is day theming, where you dedicate entire days to a particular work. Let's say Monday is focused on learning and actively recalling chapter 1, and then Tuesdays are solving worksheets and question papers on chapter 1. So that is how day theming works, where you dedicate an entire day to a particular task. Task batching is where you group similar tasks together and do them at one go, and time blocking is where you decide on a period of time to get tasks done. Those were the three variations of time blocking. And the third thing, why does time blocking really work? Time blocking really works because it promotes deep focused work. Now, since you schedule your entire day, you see that 2 hour time block ready for your main work, let's say studying chapter 1. So your focus, your mental resources are brought together and only redirected towards that one chapter, whereas if you had just a task list, you would be spreading your mental resources everywhere, thinking about each task and not fully present in that one task. So time blocking really helps and promotes deep focused work where you can just focus on that one thing and get it done. Also, time blocking helps you take control of your time. Since you are time blocking your entire day, you are scheduling your entire day, you can really see what time periods work the best for you, what time periods you felt a little tired, where did you see yourself wasting your time, where do you think you can add more stuff. So, all of this can be achieved very easily just by the simple process of planning and scheduling your day by the help of time blocking. Now, time blocking also has this rule that once you decide on a goal or once you decide on a task, you have to physically arrange it into your day, into a time block. And if you cannot do that, you are not at all sure about completing the task. So if you want to complete the task, you have to find space for that task in your time block or in your day, however you schedule it. So time block really helps in taking control of your time. Now, it also knocks out this myth of perfectionism, because perfectionism is not achievable. You cannot focus on one thing endlessly to achieve that little tweaks and little things. Rather, you can just deeply focus on that one work, give it your 100%, and then move on. Because perfectionism takes a lot of your energy and a lot of your time, and time blocking just doesn't allow you to do that. It You have planned several things and you have to move accordingly. So perfectionism is not something that you should achieve or look for. Rather, you should think for achieving your daily goals that you've set. That is enough. And when you are doing that, you will already have the satisfaction of getting things done, rather than thinking about that one thing and wasting your time. So time blocking really helps you do that as well, breaking the myth of perfectionism. And lastly, the main idea of this video, it helps to achieve your goals. Time blocking has this simple rule: if you have a place where you have set that task, you have committed to it and you have to do it. You are focused, and during the time period, so nothing is going to stop you from doing the particular task that you have set for yourself. And in that way, you are not really just mindlessly thinking about the next thing to do. Rather, it's already planned for you. You just have to go for it and do your task. So that way, it really helps to achieve your goals more efficiently. Just do the task, get over with it, and have yourself rewarded with something. So that is how time blocking really helps you to enhance your productivity, work efficiently by promoting deep focused work, breaking the myth of perfectionism and wasting a lot of energy in perfectionism. Third, it really has like a lot of variations that you can suit yourself, and accordingly you can work just according to your daily plan, and it really helps to take control of your time. So this is one technique that really is helpful. Do try it and leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. That is it for this video. I will talk to you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.